If you are trying to break into cybersecurity right now and you are currently taking the Google Cybersecurity Certificate on Coursera, or you're thinking about taking it, I need you to listen to me very carefully. You are wasting your time. I know the marketing is incredible. Google tells you that if you take their 6-month course, you will be ready for cybersecurity jobs, and they tell you that top employers are waiting to hire you. But after reviewing thousands of resumes and helping hundreds of people land high-paying IT roles and cybersecurity roles, I can tell you the brutal truth. Hiring managers do not care about the Google Cybersecurity Certificate. It will not get you past the HR filters, and it will not get you the job. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why the Google Cert is a trap for beginners, why the Helpdesk path is misunderstood, and the exact high-value certifications you need to land $90,000 infrastructure IT roles and cybersecurity roles in 2026. Now let's get to it. But first, make sure you actually subscribe to my channel. A lot of you all watch this channel and you are not subscribed. Now let's talk about why the Google Cybersecurity Certificate and even the CompTIA A+ certification is holding you back. Now first, I need you to understand the difference between a certificate and a certification. A certificate is just a completion certificate showing that you actually completed doing a course or a training. It does not mean that you actually took an exam and passed an exam and proved that you actually have skills. A certification is completely different, and that's where you actually have to pass an exam. Most of the times you have to pay for the exam as well. Most people get this confused. The Google certificates that you find on Coursera, they are certificates, not certification, and they will not help you land a job. You will not find these certificates on any job descriptions. So if you don't see it on a job description, that means that a company is not looking to hire just because you have that certification. So the main issue with these beginner certs is that they are a mile wide and an inch deep. They teach you a tiny bit about hundreds of different things, but they do not make you an expert in anything. And the reality is, most people that get these certifications, they don't land a job because they're just not impressive. Now, I did get the CompTIA A+ when I was in high school. I was 16 years old. But if you're over the age of 18, the CompTIA A+ certification is not impressive, and it costs $500 for you to get. And I see a lot of people that get the CompTIA A+ certification, and it can take them up to 8 months because it is a 2-part exam. So you got to always keep this in mind when you're thinking about these certifications, because you're not going to use most of the information that you actually learn in these certifications at all. And if you do end up landing a job with these certifications, you're only going to get into Helpdesk. And trust me, with Helpdesk, you are resetting passwords and answering users' questions and troubleshooting their computers. You do not need to know everything to be able to work a Helpdesk job. You don't need to know all of this information that's on these certifications and certificates. And here's the trap that nobody tells you about. People get one of these certs, they land a Helpdesk job, and they get stuck there for 5 years making $15 an hour. The goal is not to get into Helpdesk. The goal is to get out of it in 6 to 8 months, and the Google cert will not help you do that. So you need to be very, very strategic about the certifications that you get that will allow you to move up in your career very quickly. I actually made a completely free cert stack cheat sheet, and it shows you the exact order of certifications to get across 3 different tracks: IT infrastructure, cybersecurity, and cloud. The link is in the description for you to grab it for free. Go ahead and check it out. If you want to skip the line and land a junior system administrator role or a network administrator role making $80K to $100K, you have to get the certifications that actually move the needle. First, drop the Google cert and immediately start studying for the CompTIA Security Plus certification. The Security Plus is not just a piece of paper, and it doesn't even guarantee that it's going to get you a cybersecurity job. But what it does is show employers that you are able to get a mid-level certification even without any experience. And for you to obtain the Security Plus certification, you are going to obtain foundational IT skills and knowledge around the way. Plus, you're going to gain foundational cybersecurity knowledge as well, which is going to allow you to stand out in the job market. On top of that, in the GovTech sector, the Security Plus is a legal requirement. It satisfies the DoD 8140 baseline, which basically means it legally allows you to have full administrative access to government systems, and the Google cert does not do that. The A+ does not do that either. So the Security Plus makes you instantly employable in the GovTech sector. And this does not mean that you're going to go work for the federal government. This means that you can go work for government contractor companies that go out there and bid on government contracts, they win these contracts, and it's guaranteed work. The GovTech sector is a $100 billion sector. Every single year, the government spends $100 billion on IT, so there's a lot of opportunity for you to land roles in this space. Second, if you want to be undeniable, get the Cisco CCNA certification. Networking is the foundation of everything. If you understand how data moves across networks, you can secure it and you can put it in the cloud. The CCNA is hard, but it opens doors to data centers and network administrator roles immediately. So this is something that you should definitely get into if you want to move up quickly in your career. Real quick, if you are tired of wasting time on beginner courses that do not actually lead to job offers and you want a proven roadmap with technical training to land a high-paying tech role, my team and we can help you. We specialize in helping career transitioners, veterans, and tech professionals land high-paying jobs by getting the right tech certifications, and we use AI to accelerate your learning. So if you want to get job ready faster, click the link in the description below and fill out a quick application to work with us. But if you really want the ultimate cheat code to bypass the competition, you need to learn Linux. Everything in the enterprise world runs on Linux. The cloud runs on Linux, data centers run on Linux, embedded systems run on Linux, even cybersecurity uses Linux. But do not get the CompTIA Linux Plus, get the Red Hat Certified System Administrator Cert or the RHCSA. It's a hands-on command line exam. It's difficult, but companies use Red Hat because it offers enterprise support. So if you walk into an interview with the Security Plus and the RHCSA, you are not applying for Helpdesk. You are applying for junior Linux system administrator roles, and those start at $90,000. And I've had students start above 6 figures with this certification stack. It simply cannot be beat. And so if you want to get into cybersecurity, knowing Linux is a great foundation to get there as well. So if you get these certifications, you will really stand out in the job market. Look, the Google Cybersecurity Certificate is great marketing, but it is terrible career strategy. Stop taking the easy path. The easy path that everyone else takes, it just leads to a saturated job market and low pay. Take the path that is less traveled. Get the Security Plus, get the CCNA or the RHCSA, build a foundation in IT infrastructure, and you'll never have to worry about finding a job again. If you want my team to personally help you map out this exact certification strategy, help you study using AI labs, and get you job ready faster, click the link in the description below to apply to work with us. When you join, let me know that you watched the Google Cert video and we will build your specific roadmap. I'll see you inside. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.